Heading back to the Florida Fixer and the Smart Woodshop. This is October 15th. We left on October 3rd, Monday, and Milton hit in the evening on Wednesday. Power's been out, so we stayed away. Went to Savannah for a few days and then up to visit with family. Decided to head back with power out, and literally an hour outside of here before we were returning, we got a notification power was back on. So we are going to see our house for the first time. Good news is we are in flood zone X, which is about as good as it gets in Florida, but also we're in evac zone D. They did not even evacuate to D. They did A, B, and C. And we're on a little island, I mean literally on an island, but on the island, we're in a little area which maybe has 100 houses in the green or the D zone, and that's it. The whole rest of the island is A, lots of A and B and a little bit of C, and a lot of flood zone. I don't know the max flood zone, but a lot of the houses near the water, did pretty bad, both in Helene and then in Milton. And there it is. Let's see, man. Well, we got a couple of palm branches that are hanging, and we left our bird feeders out, so they're kind of strewn a bit. Smart Woodshop, it's got a little, it's like gonna be washed up, but no complaints. Yeah, it looks like a little hosing things off from the wind blowing. Debris, the truck parked it in the, looks like it needs a bath. Windshield's not broken. And on the front here, it kind of spun our rug up, but again, just debris. Even Chris's plant wall did okay. How's everything look?
Not too bad. I don't know where our cans are.
They might have got blown away.
They probably got blown away.
That's the neighbors, but we'll have to.
Yeah.
We have power. I'm not going to look in the refrigerator or freeze. They've been power out for days. That's all going to be a loss. So you can see the melt there from the freeze. We have ice blocks in there. Fortunately, the floor is waterproof. I haven't seen any leaks from the roof. Well, considering we took a direct hit with a Category 3, not too bad.